Some of y'all may have been noticing I haven't been posting much advent calendar videos lately. And honestly, it's because I haven't been able to fish much. I've had midterms and stuff this week, and school is more important than fishing. So unfortunately, the only footage I have is me opening the lures. I don't have anything of me fishing with it. But I'm going to be fishing all the time over the break, so I'm going to be posting a lot of videos, so subscribe to watch them. So here's the clips of me opening the lures. Day 14, got a big popper. Day 15, got a jigging spoon. Day 16, got a blue shrimp. Day 17, got a blade bait. Day 18, got a jerk bait. Day 19, got a spoon. Day 20, got another spoon. Day 21, got the third spoon in a row. Day 22, got a shrimp. Day 23, got a lipless crankbait. Day 24, got another spoon. Subscribe for more.